Let's ride.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, first off, this bike feels very small because I've been riding the Himalayan. This is a street bike, obviously, so, and the vibrations are there. I can feel the vibrations on the foot pegs. It's not really smooth for a Honda bike. But I really like the headlamp design and the cluster design. Very small, simple, nice. Excuse me, fellas, 1 second, coming through. This is meant for the city, very easy to ride in the city. God, feels so good compared to the Himalayan. Himalayan is not meant for a city, obviously, but still this feels so good. This bike has a little different horn. The horn is here and the indicator is here. That is something different. It is a pretty powerful engine. It doesn't feel underpowered at all for a 300cc bike. That's nice. Probably because the weight is very less. ABS. The front disc brake is very sharp. Just with the one finger, it's very sharp. The instrument cluster shows you the time, temperature, fuel, and average per liter of fuel and kilometers. It shows the average speed as well and average mileage and 2 trip meters. Okay, it also has a timer. That's nice.